Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Callie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm gonna start by priming my face using my Fenty Beauty primer, and this is so bomb. Foundation, today I will be mixing my CoverGirl True Blend and my Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. I typically don't use this much foundation on an everyday basis. However, when I have a lot more time to get ready, I really love to focus on the base of my makeup. So that's what I'll be doing today. If you want a lightweight makeup routine, I have a lot of them on my channel. I will have them linked up above and also in the description box. I'm taking my beauty sponge to blend out my foundation and make sure there's no harsh lines. It also helps to get rid of any extra foundation that may be on my face. So I highly recommend this step. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer, and I'm placing this under my eyes, chin, forehead, and also my nose. I'll also be using my beauty sponge to blend this out. If you would like your concealer to have more coverage, I recommend letting it sit for at least a minute. Make sure you're taking your time to blend out your concealer. It is a tedious process, but it's so worth it in the end. You really don't want your makeup to have any lines of demarcation or any harshness at all. I'm placing concealer on my eyelids to make sure that my eyes and face match. Because as you could tell, my eyelids are slightly darker than the rest of my face. I'm taking the same side that I used to blend out my foundation, and I am just going to blend out my face once again. This ensures that my concealer and my foundation have no lines and everything is blended seamlessly. To set my face, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder is so bomb. I can't believe that this is my first time trying Laura Mercier. I've been sleeping for way too long, but this powder is so bomb, fine, just, oh, you need it in your life. I also like to set my brows because they get really oily throughout the day. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my L'Oreal press powder, and I really love this powder. It's only $7 or $8 and I've had it for years. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution bronzer to bronze up my face. I do not like to contour, it's just too harsh for me, so I prefer to bronze. I like to run a little bit of bronzer on my nose just because my nose tends to be a little flat after doing my foundation, and I recommend going in with a clean blending brush to get rid of any harsh lines. I'm using my eyelash curler and I'm gonna be applying my mascara. I'll have all the products I use in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Although I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, I like to do a thin eyeliner just because I'm planning to put on some falsies. When it comes to my brows, I do not like to do too much for my brows on an everyday basis. I like to keep it very natural. So I prefer to use a pencil and use very light strokes and fill my eyebrows in. I applied my falsies off camera, but this is the pair that I used. And for blush today, I'm using my Juvia's Place blush and I'm going in with that brown shade. To line my lips, I'm using a dark brown lip liner I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll just be using my go-to nude lipstick. I don't know the name of it, but this is what it looks like. Lastly, I'm going to set my face. This is important to lock in all of your makeup. But this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!